What I want to know is, you couldn't just go up to Kartel. How did you find Kartel in the first place to say, okay, this is who I am? Because remember, this is years, you booked him in '05. This is 4 years later.
All right.
How did you book him?
All right, that now, me used to go to this studio in De La Vega City. And I just used to go there for, mess around record. Because as I said, by that time, I kind of build more. I kind of get more, wicked in the DJing, singing thing gone. But I know if I flow properly. Because a lot of people hear me on record and think, oh, she can't sing. No, I cannot sing. I can flow.
Sing J.
Yeah. So I was doing all of that, and then this guy say, say I'm one bad artist named Master Raj. Big up yourself, Master Raj. And him say, me I gotta tell you, I did a big yard in here. You need to find him, And I was like, I'm find him barely have fear or nothing. And him give me the fear, and him say, you need to go a big yard. Go and find Addy. You understand? And I went there, take about 2 to 3 bus. I don't know where me I go. Me just take one bus to the next box, ask question, reach a big yard. And when me reached, there was this guy there named Nico. May his soul rest in peace. He died from cancer. So Nico, big up yourself anyway you're there. And he was like, you come here if you say Addy? I say, yeah. So him say, what you want to say Addy for? I'm like, me can't DJ. Want him here so me can't DJ. So him say, all right. Wait here so. The boss soon. Well, he might come and he might not come, because I one thing with Addy. Nobody can, you cannot predict what that man is going to do. So him say, you have to just wait for the day, see if I'm going to reach. But the day I tell you, must like 4 hours, I did it for a hungry start. Lick now, the one fear I did have, I was a father God, I can't stay here, so I remember I left the kids at home, my baby father got to work. Me just go up on this venture, you understand? Say, nothing try, nothing done. So I did a couple of hours, and I said, no man, the kids, they must, the home I get hungry now, and me, I get hungry. I never have no extra money for lunch, I never have nothing, I never even plan for the year, so late, I just think it'll be 1 in, 1 out, so... And then I get up and I say, you come let me out here. Kind of look like today, one of the day, I go catch him. As me walking out of the studio, there comes the big white Lexus driving in. And I said, then watch ya. Then look at God. So when him driving, the youth come back and say, come girl. And him put me outside. And him say, hold on, I go talk to the boss and something. So he went inside, like, there's an outer part and there's an inner part. But it's still inside of the building, so I'm at the outer side. And he went inside, and then he called me and he said, come here, the boss here for forward. And I got to him, and he say, you can DJ? So I said, yeah, me can DJ. He said, DJ something for me. Just like that. So them time, them have a song named Kartel Come Breed Me. So I do a wicked remix of it. I can't sing it. But I did a wicked remix. And me hear it. And him say, yo, that tough, never hear a girl really remix me, so that tough. And him say, what your name? And them time, me tell him Mother Pepper, because that was my nickname at that time. And he say, I'm not like that Mother Pepper something that sound too old. What your name? What your real name? I'm saying, my real name is Tashiba. I'm saying, you work with the Sheba. So that means anyway you plan to flip it, if down in the future you plan to be a reggae artist or something, it still can use. You understand?
And
Sheba
this
can
just
use
happened
the DJ.
all in the same one time, just meeting him.
Yeah. And then he said, all right. Him take my number and him tell me, say, me I go call you and you have to come back for a rhythm. Me I see how well you are upon a rhythm. Because that was the testing. And then him call me, like, me leave, excited and stuff. Then me tell my baby father, okay, at this point, I want to show off on him, and say, Abe. Abe. So I go home, I did it, and a couple of days after him called me and said, okay, forward back at the studio, ready, I could see what I can do. I went back there, and I did the song. Him like it. It never really officially put out. Him just test how well I could have gone and, if I could have write and stuff. I didn't want to determine if he had to be constantly writing for me, if I could actually manage myself.
Yeah. And
then when he heard him say, okay, here one. You seem like you're okay, I make some money. So hold the contract here. And that was it.
Yeah.
Go home, read through it, sign it. Not gonna lie, I never understand nothing what to say. I just know say I something to make my boss, and that me did business with. Okay. We never care about the fine prints or nothing else within that. I just want to know what to say.
That you're locked in.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 things I wanted to know with the contract now. How long was the contract for?
Think it was, if my memory served me right, I think it was for probably, 5 years.
5 years. Okay.
Yeah.
And even now, payment, was it something structured where you get money weekly, you have to do some work and get some money? How was the money supposed to be structured on paper?
All right. I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, I remember every detail because this is like some good volley per years ago. I don't remember every detail. I'm definitely not going to remember the payment detail because, as I said, me never want to reach on none of that because me never understand wait, I say. And at that time, remember, you're new to music. You not even know about the money part or the whatever part or see if you get paid, just think you're boss and rich. So, I just barely read the front where it says something about Adidja Palmer and something like 5 years and something like that this. Or something like that own this or I don't even I just tell them, I just say, you know what?
You just wanted to lock in.
Yeah, I mean, not have time for read them about a page or something I may not even understand anyway. And just sign. So I couldn't tell you how the payment is structured. I couldn't tell you like afterward now, like a couple of years after, when me more know so there's a business side to it, that's when I kind of look back and I say, shoot.
Get it from there. Okay, so then you got the contract, you signed. So all of this happened within a couple of days. You meeting him, him giving you the rhythm, you coming back and signing. All of this happened in a short period of time.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, basically a 2-week period. So yeah, a couple of days.
Okay, sign now. And you had signed to Cartel, but this time they were called Portmore Empire this time. Not Gaza Empire.
No, it's not
Portmore
Gaza.
Empire.
It was Portmore Empire.
Yeah.
That's what a lot of people don't understand. I was a part of Portmore Empire, not Gaza Empire.
Portmore Empire. So then when you signed and you got to say, okay, the camp now, who else was official members in Portmore Empire this time here?
All right. When I just got there, there was Gaza Kim. Me and her was on Macdown too, same time. So I've known her. Yeah, I've known her since then. That's how we first met on Macdown because she was there the same season as me. There was Kim, Lisa, Rhino, Ja Vinci, and I think Papi was fairly new. Those were the persons. And I think there was this person called Maxwell. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes, Maxwell. Gaza
Maxwell, yes.
Yeah, man.
Died.
He was a singer.
Yes.
I think he died in a car crash or something happened.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Okay, so then now, bam, you drop, boom, you're in the hottest crew right now. Portmore Empire. So what was the first thing that you did to actually start setting up yourself once you got in?
Actually, I went to studio I didn't get anything official yet. Even just have me really come at the studio. Like, I went there for a couple of months. And as again, me about to give up, I'm like, this man have me come at studio around 2 odd months now. I mean, I do nothing. So
I remember you just wanted to link to show off on your baby father, you know.
Yeah.
So then you don't really want to put in this too much work and not really doing anything. To you, it's almost like you're wasting your time now.
Yes. I come at the studio. I just come just there every day and night. I mean, I do nothing. So one day I called him. I never forgot the Saturday I called him and I was like, you know, say, boy, me think so if we just dash the contract there, man, because me not think. I do nothing, yes, sir, I get nothing for do. Him say, well, me was just about to call you because I have a song for you. That was Gala when me dear. Yes. I was like, God, you again? Then as my plan for quit this, I tell me same have the song and he sent the song same time. And I was like, okay. Him say, study it and know your part. So I said, okay. Study it, I know my part. This is the first time anybody ever write for me, so it was new to me. So I got the studio, I try to sing the song, never did I get it. I sing it, 1 week that song take me for do. A lot of people don't know. Girl, when me do make it do me, that took me 7 days.
Wow.
For do. One of the time I say, Father God, me don't know this come like this naga work for me because too little part. Too little something me can do.
What was so hard, or what was so difficult about putting that song together for you?
All right. Not Nice is a perfectionist. Let me just put that out there first. If it not sound, or him feel like we want it to sound the way we think it's supposed to sound to have a hit, him not gonna make you pass. And me, as I say, it was my first experience officially doing like a 45 and going through the whole process and somebody writing for me. I remember I did write the song, so me have to deliver it in a way to make it, you know, it sound how I want it to sound. So that was hard for me. You know, not like after that when we get seasoned. So 1 week and the first 4 days I stressed out and me I say, I look like this man I gotta give somebody else. And him say, nope, nobody else not get it. You gotta do it. And you are gonna do it. And you myself do it and you gotta do it. So on the 7th day, like when God made the earth. I said, God, today are the day. And I was in the studio from like 8 o'clock the morning to about 10 o'clock the night. And I got it on the 7th day. Yeah. And I do it. And when it done, and him say, Addy, she finally done. And Addy come and Addy hear it. Him play it for the whole day. Him play it driving out, him play it driving in. Him book the studio, not else. And him love it. He loved that song.
Yeah.
Right? I think even now him probably still love it. Maybe one of my favorites. If he wish to admit it.
So you guys didn't record together. You recorded your part, and then he recorded his part.
Yeah, his part was there already, but remember he wrote my part.
Yeah.
So all I had to do was
fill in your part.
Yeah. So.
And it was catching it was the hardest part.
Catching it, yes, and delivering it. Because remember, as I said, I was inexperienced to that side of music. But when me catch it, man, I drop my catch.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.